You're gonna love the 2021 Dodge Durango. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, third-row seat, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, rear AC. Feel confident knowing that your vehicle is prepared to meet the challenge. Drive the Durango.